I was sitting in a freezing garage at 2 in the morning, holding a flashlight, staring at a generator that wouldn't start. Because when a Michigan winter outage hits at 2 a.m. and the temperature in the house is dropping past 50 degrees, and you are getting prompted to get some heat in the house, I'm in the garage, still at 2 a.m., with a flashlight between my teeth, pulling a recoil cord in the dark, and the thing just would not start. The manuals are written by engineers, and most YouTube reviews are either unboxing videos, which tell you nothing, or they're done under perfect conditions in a warm garage with good lighting.